Hey everybody, this is Will at Grayson Hobby. Today we got something that came in for us to try out. This is the Dancing Wing E39. It's the RC Jet FanTrainer. So this is a ducted fan profile foamy from DW Hobby. So let's take a look and see what's in the box. What typical DW kits come with, like servos, motor, ESC, is a 800 millimeter wingspan, 31.5 inch, 760 millimeters long, so 30 inch long, 570 gram flying weight, 64 millimeter fan.
What kind of battery is it?
4-cell. So it comes with a 60 amp speed control, also with some pre-soldered 3.5 bullet extensions. So you won't have to do any soldering to extend the leads to get the EDF connected to the speed control, which is really nice. DW has gone out of their way to make things easier, so you're not having to solder battery leads, stuff like that.
Talk about any improvements you see on the kit right away.
So one thing I've noticed, so DW, we've gotten onto them in the past of prior designs, and we'll flash forward on that one. There's a couple that didn't make the Grayson Hobby cut, let's put it that way, over there, where they've tried to improve them. We've given them ideas, and it just didn't meet expectations. So that garbage. These planes, they've kind of done a little bit, so you can tell they're really improving. They're taking feedback of their products,
for example,
which is really nice. Biggest thing right here, the aileron servo is farther out on the wingboard. It's not all the way at the edge like the that you see in the Cessna. That's one thing we talked about. They also put a carbon fiber spar slot, so you can glue in a carbon fiber spar to stiffen the aileron, so the whole hinge line will move instead of it twisting as it moves. So a lot of guys were adding carbon spars to their personal models on some of the older ones. This one's going to have it from the factory, so they include the carbon strips to get that going. So I think this is going to be really fun because 4-cell, 64 millimeter, 12 blade fan is going to sound good. I think it's going to be pretty quick. So with a lot of the alignment stuff that DW does, they do have pre-cut foam, and they fit together pretty good. So they have all the servo holes cut out, stuff like that.
You even have the little wire,
laser cut.
The little wire, or
yeah, for your servo leads and all that. They actually have the wires.
So when you see that, it's not a broken.
Yeah.
We didn't cut that with a weird razor blade.
Yeah. All right, guys. So there you have it. Here's our unboxing video. Next video we're gonna do is basically a pre-built summary going over tips and tricks of how we assembled it, got going, things we noticed, things you can improve on at home while you're building it yourself, and then after that, a flying video. Stay tuned. GraysonHobby.com.